Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to run JavaScript in Windows. If you're just starting with coding, this tutorial will help you set up everything you need to begin writing and running JavaScript programs right on your computer. Let's get started. First, we need to install Visual Studio Code. Go to the official website, which you'll find in the description below. Once you're there, click on the Download button for Windows. After the download completes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions until the installation is finished. Next, we'll install Node.js. Open the official Node.js website from the link in the description. At the top of the page, click on Download, then scroll down and choose the version made for Windows. After it finishes downloading, open the installer and follow the setup instructions. Then, we need to verify that both tools are installed correctly. Open the command prompt and type the command node, vui, to check the Node.js version. If it shows a version number, that means Node.js is working. After that, type code, vua, to confirm that Visual Studio Code is installed successfully. Now, let's create and run your first JavaScript program. In the command prompt, type node and press Enter. Then type console.log, hello world, and press Enter again. You should see Hello World appear on the screen. Congratulations, you just ran your first JavaScript code in Windows. Finally, you're now ready to start exploring more advanced JavaScript projects using Node.js and Visual Studio Code together. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.